Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you a tour of the largest mall in Jamaica. This is the Fairview shopping center located in Montego Bay, Jamaica. This is by far the largest mall in Jamaica. It's even the largest mall in the Caribbean, the English speaking Caribbean, and it's located in Montego Bay. Now, every bank is located here. All the major supermarket chains are in here. Every fast food restaurant is here. It has everything you need for a successful plaza. It's built in a populated area. Montego Bay is the second city in Jamaica, and it has more tourists visiting than you have people actually living in Montego Bay. You have more tourists visiting Montego Bay than the population of Jamaica. There you can see Wendy's. So it's built in a populated area. It has fast food stores, or it has restaurants. It has every restaurant or fast food chain in Jamaica. There is a Wendy's, Juicy, that's Domino's. You have restaurants in here. You have Starbucks. The only fast food restaurant in Jamaica that's not in this plaza is Burger King. I'm not sure why. You have all the banks. And then you have the two largest supermarket chains in Jamaica in here. You have Shoppers Fair and you have Hilo. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.